Are you looking for the best JBL headphones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best JBL headphones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. JBL Tune 510BT Wireless Headphones. After testing the JBL Tune 510BT headphones for several weeks, we're impressed by their performance. The sound quality delivers that famous JBL bass punch that makes music feel alive. These on-ear headphones surprised us with how well they handle different music genres, from bass-heavy tracks to podcasts with clear vocals. Battery life is truly impressive. We went almost 2 weeks of regular daily use before needing to recharge. The fast charging feature is a lifesaver. We plugged them in for just 5 minutes and got enough power for a 2-hour workout session. The USB-C charging port is convenient and modern. The fit is comfortable enough for most people, though we noticed they can feel tight at first. Following the included stretching instructions helped them adapt better to different head sizes. At just 5.6 ounces, they're lightweight enough that we barely noticed them during long listening sessions. The multifunction button makes it easy to control music, calls, and activate voice assistants without reaching for your phone. Bluetooth connectivity is stable up to about 30 feet, and we love the ability to connect to 2 devices simultaneously. This makes switching between laptop work calls and phone music seamless. For the price, these headphones deliver great value while maintaining the sound quality JBL is known for. Number 2. JBL Live 770NC Headphones. The sound quality on these headphones blew us away during testing. JBL's signature sound comes through crystal clear with deep bass that doesn't overpower. We especially enjoyed the spatial sound feature that transformed our regular music into an immersive experience. The 40mm drivers deliver impressive range whether we were listening to podcasts or complex orchestral pieces. Battery life is a major strength. We used these headphones for almost a full work week on a single charge. The quick charge feature saved us several times. Just 5 minutes plugged and gave us enough power for the commute home. This is perfect for busy people who often forget to charge overnight. Comfort stands out after trying many competing models. The fabric headband doesn't create pressure points even after hours of wear. The ear cushions feel soft yet supportive against the skin. We appreciate the auto-pause feature that stops music when we take them off. It's these thoughtful touches that make daily use pleasant. Noise cancellation works remarkably well on these. We tested them in a busy coffee shop and could barely hear surrounding conversations. The smart ambient mode is perfect when we needed to stay aware of our surroundings or have quick conversations without removing the headphones. Switching between modes is simple with the touch controls. Number 3. JBL Vibe Beam Earbuds. We tested these JBL Vibe Beam earbuds for several weeks, and they quickly became our go-to option for daily listening. The sound quality stands out immediately. The 8mm drivers deliver that signature JBL bass that adds depth to music without overwhelming other tones. These are perfect for bass-heavy genres, but they handle acoustic tracks well too. The fit is surprisingly comfortable for long listening sessions. We wore them during workouts and commutes without any discomfort. The stick-close design stays secure in your ears, and the 3 size options for ear tips help you find the right seal. This seal also helps block some outside noise, though these don't have active noise cancellation. Battery life is a major strength. We got about 8 hours from the earbuds and an additional 24 hours from the case, matching JBL's claims. The quick charge feature is handy. A 10-minute charge gave us about 2 hours of playback when we were in a rush. The voice-aware feature for calls is useful too, letting us hear our own voice naturally during phone conversations. The IP54 rating means these can handle sweat and light rain without problems. We used them during several rainy walks without issues. For the price, these earbuds deliver excellent value, especially if you prioritize sound quality and battery life over advanced features like noise cancellation. Number 4. JBL Tune 520BT Wireless Headphones. After testing these headphones for several days, we were amazed by the battery performance. We used them during workouts, commutes, and work sessions, and they kept going strong. The quick charge feature is no joke, just 5 minutes plugged in gave us 3 hours of playback when we were in a rush. The sound quality truly stands out in this price range. JBL's signature bass is present without overwhelming the mids and highs. We found the music clear and balanced across various genres. Using the JBL app, we tweaked the EQ settings to boost our favorite frequencies, which made our playlists sound even better. Comfort-wise, they sit nicely on the ears without too much pressure. The lightweight design means they don't cause fatigue even after hours of wear. We love how they fold flat for easy packing in a backpack or bag. The Bluetooth 5.3 connection never dropped during our testing, and the hands-free call quality was surprisingly clear. For everyday use and travel, these headphones offer exceptional value. Number 5. JBL Live 660NC Headphones. We tested these JBL headphones during our daily commute and were immediately impressed by how they blocked out subway noise. The adaptive noise cancellation works remarkably well, and we found the ambient aware feature particularly useful when walking through busy streets. Just tap the ear cup, and you can hear your surroundings without removing the headphones. Sound quality is where these really shine. The 40mm drivers deliver clear highs and punchy bass that brings life to every genre we tried. When listening to bass-heavy tracks, we felt the depth without any distortion. Voice calls came through crystal clear too, and the people we spoke with said our voice sounded natural thanks to the built-in mic technology. Battery performance exceeded our expectations. We used these headphones for a full work week without needing to recharge. A quick 10-minute charge gave us enough power for 4 more hours of listening. The autopause feature works like magic. When we took them off, the music stopped instantly and resumed when we put them back on. The soft fabric headband and cushioned ear cups stayed comfortable even after several hours, though people with larger ears might find them slightly snug.